Today we will going to solve question based on algebraic identities. So these are the question based on the algebraic identities. First you will try to do that question and answer is given. Just besides the question. Okay. First you will try, then I will solve. Okay. Now, first question, solution of first question. It is given that find the value of 104 whole cube. You can directly whole cube, but it is written that by using suitable identities. So what you will do, just you will break this number into suitable. The given number is 104 whole cube. You can write this 100 plus 4 whole cube, and as you know that x plus y whole cube is equals to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. So on the basis of this you can write 100 cube plus 4 cube plus 3 into 100 into 4 into 100 plus 4. So 100 cube is equals to how many zeros? 6 zeros. Okay. 4 cube means what? 64, and that is 1200, that is 104. If we add this, we will get 1124864. Okay. Solution of question number 2. Question number 2 is given that if a plus b plus c equals to 5 and ab plus bc plus c equals to 10, then find the, as we know that the formula of this a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, we have already learned about the identity is equals to the a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus c. Now see, a plus b plus c value given. If we take common here, minus ab plus bc plus ca is given, but we don't have this value, a square plus b square. So first we will try to find the value of a square plus b square plus c square. How? Since a plus b plus c whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca. So a plus b plus c value given, how much? 5. Square of 5 is what? 25. This value you want, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2. What is the value of ab plus bc plus ca? The value is given is 10. So into 10. So this becomes 25. This minus 20 equals to a square plus b square plus c square. So in this way you get a square plus b square plus c square equals to what? 5. So put this value here and take ab minus bc minus ca common. This minus is common. So ab plus bc plus ca value is given, a plus b plus c is given, and a square b square plus c square is given. Now you can find the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. So this will come minus 20 5. How? You just a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equals to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus common value of ab plus bc plus c. The value of a plus b plus c is 5. It is given in the question 5. And ab plus bc plus c is 10. And a square plus b square plus c square is 5. So this value. So this equals to 5 minus 10. So 5 into minus 5, that becomes minus 25. This way we can put. Now the next question is, if x minus 1 upon x equals to 2, then find the value of. Question number 3. X minus 1 upon x equals to 2 is given. You have to find x to the power 4, 1 upon x to the power 4. This value you have to find. So how to think this? First you try to think the formula about that. Okay. So how to just get x to the power 4? First you have a x minus 1 upon x equals to 2, squaring both sides. So this becomes what? This becomes x square plus 1 upon x square minus a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So minus 2 into x into 1 by x is equals to 2 square equals to what? 4. X cancel. So in this way you can get the value of x square plus 1 upon x square is equals to what? 6. 2 इधर जाएगा, 6 हो जाएगा. Okay. Now again squaring both sides. So if we'll again squaring both sides, so this becomes x square whole square plus 1 upon x square whole square plus 2 into x square into x square 2ab equals to what? 36. This cancel. So this becomes x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4 equals to 36 minus 2. So x to the power 4 upon x to the power 4 equals to 34. So answer is 34. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is what? Prove that a plus b plus c whole cube minus a cube minus b cube minus c cube equals to 3a plus b into b plus c into c plus a. You have to prove this. Means there is a question. A plus b plus c whole cube minus a cube minus b cube minus c cube. You have to prove that is equals to 3a plus b plus c into c plus a. So what is the LHS here? Left hand side is a plus b plus c whole cube minus a cube minus b cube minus c cube. Now as you know that the formula is a cube minus b cube is equals to a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab, and a cube plus b cube equals to a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. So on the basis of these two formulas, these two identities we have already explained in a previous class. So on the basis of these two identities we can just try to break this expression. So first you can write this expression like a plus b plus c whole cube minus a cube, and take minus common here. You can write b cube plus c cube. Can you write the same expression in this way? मैंने क्या किया, इन दोनों में से माइनस कॉमन लिया, बी क्यूब प्लस सी क्यूब और ए क्यूब को इसके साथ रख लिया. नाउ अप्लाई दिस फॉर्मूला इन दिस. सो हियर at the place of a cube, total a plus b plus c whole cube is there. At the place of b cube, a cube is there. So apply this formula. A minus b means what? A minus b means what? A plus b plus c minus a. A minus b into a square means what? A plus b plus c whole square plus b square means a square, okay, plus ab means a into a plus b plus c. Here this whole is a, this whole is b. In this way I have applied this formula. Then minus b cube plus c cube. Apply this formula, b plus c into b square plus c square minus b. So just this a and a will cancel, so b plus c, and just break it. A plus b plus c whole square, you know, a square plus b square plus c square, a square plus b square plus c square, plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca plus a square plus, just multiply this, a square plus ab plus ac. I am just completing this, minus this term, b plus c into b square plus c square minus bc. Now you can just see that in these two terms there is a minus. B plus c and b plus c are common. Just take it common, b plus c. The whole term becomes a square, a square, a square. How many? 3a square. Okay. B square, okay, no problem with b square. That is a plus b square. Okay. Plus b square. And plus c square. 2ab plus ab, that is what? 3ab. 2ab plus ab, 3ab. 2bc, okay, just write it, 2bc, and here 2ca plus ca, that is 3ca. Okay, so we have just write it that term, and minus, just take minus b square minus c square, and this term becomes plus bc. So cut this term will cut, so this becomes b plus c. 3a square, just write it as usual, 3ab, write it, it's as usual, 3ab. 2bc plus bc, that is 3bc plus 3ca. So what is the common here? Common is 3. So just take it common, 3. So here a square plus ab plus bc plus ca. Now whatever the common, you can take that common, that is a 3. In this term a is common, so that is a plus b. In this term c is common, so that is a plus b. So a plus b, just take it common. So b plus c into 3, that is a plus b common. So this becomes a plus c. So in this way you can write 3 into a plus b into b plus c into c plus a. That is what right hand side. So in this way you can say that it's proved. It's proved. Now this question you have to find a plus b plus c. A plus b equals to 12, ab equals to 27. Then find the value of aq plus bq. Okay, so try to find this value. Okay, how to find this value? aq plus bq formula we know, just it's direct. A plus b 12 and ab equals to 27. So first of all I am going to write the question once again. Write it. Question is that a plus b equals to 27. This is the question, no? 12. That is the 12 and ab equals to 27. Okay, that is the question. Then you have to find aq plus bq. What is the formula for aq plus bq? aq plus bq we have learned a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So a plus b value we have, ab value we have, but a square minus b square value we don't have. So another formula we have learned that a plus b is equals to a plus b whole square minus 3ab. We have learned that formula. We have learned one formula, x cube plus y cube is equals to x plus y into x plus y whole square minus 3xy. We have learned in that identities, and I have told you have to learn all those identities, because without that identity you can't solve any question. So now just put the value. A plus b value is 12, okay, into 12 square minus 3 into, that is 27. 12 into 12 square 144 minus that is 3 into 27 81. So after solving this 12, 144 minus 81, 144 minus 81, so you can 3 and 63, that is 63 is multiply 756 answer. 756 answer. Okay, so in this way you can solve, and you just observe that in every question what I have used that identities. So if you will learn that all those identities, then you can able to solve the question. By practicing this type of question, you can prefer that exemplar question to practice this type of question. Okay.